So I started glassing today, and also bonded. I'm going to be splitting the deck, so I bonded strips, so I have double up place I can screw into, and yeah, continue glassing. Gonna keep going here, let this dry up a little bit, and do the center. What I'm doing actually is glassing just one side of the stringer, which is the back sides, so that I can backfill whatever spaces are on the bottom and that kind of thing. And that's basically what I did with my cuts too. When I cut it, this is all pretty much planned, you know. The glass that was left on the hull, I only cut one side of the stringer, so that I can keep the stringer from sliding down, and I've got something to screw it to, bond it to, that puts it exactly back where it was originally. So I've done that, and then once the glass is in, I'm going to go ahead and throw this gas tank in with some foam. That'll be next step. Then I can cut the spaces for the hose to come through. Originally we were going to put a tube to the back, and that makes sense, I guess, for the steering, but there isn't going to be much in the way of power coming from the console back, and he's saying he's going to stack the batteries in the console too, so that's going to make things a little bit easier as I go, which is great. What else? Oh yeah, and then I'm gonna put one more bulkhead in right here, and I'm gonna put in fish tubs on either side, molded fish tubs that'll be able to pull out, and a single folding hatch up top. And that will be pretty much it for this, I believe. Keeping it simple and functional. And then we're going to, once we get paint on, that'll go all the way to the underside of the gunnels. We're going to put a new non-skid on the deck. I mean, the deck, and also the sides. And then I think he's got an aquamarine, sort of a light greenish sea foam, I think is actually what it's going to be, for the hull. So I don't know, it'll look pretty classy.